Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today I want to talk with you about a new casing for the GoPro to keep everything clean, including the adapter for the microphone. And it really makes it for just an overall nice, clean experience. I've been using this setup, which is metal and has everything that you need on there, but there's a lot more parts to it and it is heavier. Where here you got a plastic, and the way I had it before, there was no way to tuck the adapter and make it nice and clean. So I look forward to sharing with you. This was sent to me by the company to just ask for what my feedback was, which I've shared with them and I'll share with you. But there are aspects that I like about it, and then there's aspects that I suggested to make some changes to. So let's dive right in. It does come with this plastic bag there, and I will put the link where you could start seeing some of the reviews coming in. You can ask questions and of course order it. Appreciate you clicking on the link. Oh, and if you find my video is of helpful to you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Greatly appreciate it, and I'll be sure to subscribe back to yours. All right, so this is real nice. Now, first of all, the connection will need like the typical GoPro connection there on the bottom. I have here the shorty that I got when I got my GoPro HERO 7 Black, and it works perfectly well. If you are looking for a handle other than you don't need for the GoPro type connection, you can get an adapter piece like this that has the thread on the bottom, and then you can use any handle similar to like a tripod connection. So one of the things, first of all, if you want to go with a case like this, you are going to have to remove the side door. There is no place to be able to open it and then use it. So if that's something that you're not going to want to do, then this probably won't work for you. However, if that's not a bother to you, then it will work fine. It does have the cold shoe connection for the microphone on top, which I'll show you. And but again, it feels very light in the hand with the plastic. So the way this back door opens, it slides open. It has a little tab there on the side here, and then once you click that tab or push it in, I think it actually, if you just push it in, yeah, you just push it in, that little tab, and then that slides out on the sideways. Then go ahead, put your GoPro in there, slide the door shut, and by the way, you can see it still stays in well, even without that door back there. And once you put the door on, let's see if I can get the door on. There we go, snaps in place, and now you're good to go. So it's got all the buttons very visible, the power button, your connections, and you're good to go. And then this is where it is great, where you could then slide the adapter piece right in. And in fact, it just goes this way. I guess either way you can put it in and get that through. And then this just slides in just like that. And now how nice is that? So you don't have anything in the back you need to attach to like I did before. And then this just wraps around like this. So it's not too tight, and that's what the adapter piece looks like. And again, it's nice and clean. Now, again, you can take your Rode microphone or another microphone that you have there, and then this goes right on top. And there we go. That slides on nicely. And now you just plug that right there on the side and you are good to go. You can adjust this. Now, what's nice is the microphone is higher up. So, and by the way, you can even tuck this in on the back. So if you want to make sure the microphone gets and stays out of the way of the picture, so that's higher up now, and your windscreen will stay out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So there you go, and I do not see the windscreen, and you're really good to go. I mean, look how clean that is. That is very nice and clean. you know, again, just keep in mind, you don't have the door on the side. So the one last part that I wish it had was another connection for a cold shoe where I could connect my light. Here, I've got a cold shoe on the side. So that is one of the things, you know, if I wanted to connect on the piece like that, you could see I could then have the light on there, or it can go the other way around, but you get the idea. So that is the only other thing. If you don't need the light, then this setup will work really well. This is nice and clean, very lightweight, and you're really reducing your cost when you're needing to buy the different parts. Everything is nice and visible, nice and lightweight, nice and clean. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what your thoughts are. And I think this is in the right direction. Definitely something that we should probably see more of, these types of cases where the adapter can be tucked away and nice and clean. So I do appreciate your time today. Again, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for clicking and liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and of course, if you need the product, to click on it and learn more about it. So thanks so much. Enjoy this, and I appreciate your time. Have a great day. Take care. See you on the next video.